Jump shot. Get on wicket. That's what we off his leg. What we doing? 2K Chris, layup. I like that. Let's know where you at. Okay, J30, what we doing? Passing it up to 2K Chris. 2K Chris, 1-2. Layup. Yeah, his mom made up from back there. They got it poked away. 2K Chris with it. What we doing? Passed it up. Okay, 1-2, left hand leg. Put that in the books.
That's a good pass. You get that ball to the floor, man.
Look at
this motherfucker.
You got a tie game, bro. Okay, 2K Chris. Going right by. Layup. 2K Chris. 2K Chris.
Yes, they do.
Shot is good. 3-point lead for BK Kings. Okay, 2K.